So as I'm gonna start editing this video, I realized that I never made an intro for it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just make an intro now. So in this video, you guys will see me prepping for this upcoming week. This is my first week on my own with my 2.5-year-old Michael, and then my 2-week-old Adam, who's actually falling asleep over here. So yes, it's my first week on my own. My husband's going back to work tomorrow. I'm very nervous, very scared. So I figured if I just meal prep for the week, I normally do meal prep, but I figured that I wouldn't be able to meal prep for a while just because I would be so busy with both of them. So I decided to meal prep today, which is a Sunday, while my husband is still here, and I was able to get his help a lot today. You okay? Okay, go pee-pee, hurry. Daddy's in the bathroom. Daddy's in the bathroom. Hang on. So yes, I'm meal prepping super easy, simple stuff for this week. I made my husband some ham and cheese sandwiches. I defrosted a couple of egg cups that I had frozen previously for breakfast. And then I'm making myself and my toddler some kind of like BLT wraps for the week. And then I made us some oatmeal yesterday, so it's already cooked. But all of that is prepared, all our snacks are prepared, so hopefully it's an easy week. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys get some kind of motivation from it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy. So far I have 5 ham and cheese sandwiches for the week for Michael, for my husband's lunches. I also have his breakfast right here. These are just egg cups. I made these in a video like a while back, and then I just froze them, so I just defrost them whenever he's gonna have them for lunch. I put cucumbers in some containers for him to take to work 3 days this week. And then I didn't film this, but I bagged some Cool Ranch Doritos into little like Ziploc bags for him to have with his sandwiches. And then I did freeze 6 ham and cheese sandwiches for the future. And I'm still working on some turkey bacon. I have tons right there, but there's still some that needs to be done, and this last little bit, and then we're gonna be almost all done. Alright, so I cut up 3 tomatoes, and the reason I did that and the bacon is because I'm making, for my lunch this week, I'm going to have some wraps, and I'm doing tomato, lettuce, and bacon wraps. So I'm going to have the tomato ready, I have the bacon ready, I just need to basically put it together. And I actually bought a prepackaged lettuce hearts, so it's just going to be really simple for me this week, hopefully. And then my lunch is ready, my husband's lunch is ready, my son's lunch is ready. So that's going to be pretty simple this week, so hopefully that works out. The bacon is now done. It's nice, it's super crispy, so yeah, I prefer like real bacon, but obviously turkey bacon is healthier, so we do like real bacon when we do like breakfast for dinner or something like that. But like for every day, I usually just do turkey bacon. So here's what my refrigerator looks like. Okay, so down here I have a ton of steel cut oatmeal that I made for me and my son Michael for the week for breakfast. And then I have his in a little container for tomorrow because he's actually going to grandma's house tomorrow morning while I take Adam to a doctor's appointment. And then I have my husband's lunch here ready for tomorrow, so in the morning we just need to grab it, either me or him, and put it in his bag. And then I have some cut up fruit and vegetables, so I have some carrots, I have some broccoli here, that's like leftover pizza. I also have some hard-boiled eggs. I don't know if you guys saw, like probably like 2 or 3 months ago, I made a video on meal prep and I totally failed on eggs, and that was literally the last time I made eggs. But yesterday I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it again, and I did, and they came out perfectly, so I was really happy about that. So I also have some hard-boiled eggs to snack on during the week that are really filling and full of protein, so that's gonna be good. Down here I have all the lunches that I prepared. So I have Michael's sandwiches, his fruit, his what else do I have? The tomato, the bacon, all of that is down here. I have all our fruits right here for us to just grab. And then this is all just like our regular like food stuff, but this is basically what I prepared. Hopefully this will be good for the week. I also have some dinners. I have some defrosted ground beef that's cooked right here. I also have some chicken kebabs right here from Costco. These are super good. And then I have some pulled pork from Costco as well that we picked up during the week for dinners. And then my freezer up here, this is just the freezer on top of my refrigerator, has tons of food. Honestly guys, I am so happy that I froze tons of food before Adam was born. I am so happy that I froze tons of food before Adam was born, because I feel like that's been helping us these last 2 weeks. 1, to have food prepared, and 2, to not go and buy food. We've definitely bought food, you know, we haven't just ate from home, but it hasn't been that much. Like we've probably bought food maybe 2 times in the last 2 weeks, which for us is pretty good considering that when Michael was born, we bought food like almost every single day for like the first month. So I'm just saying, it's definitely an improvement. So yeah, I still have tons of food in here. Let me show you guys really quick what I have. I wish I had it a little bit more organized, but it's kind of all over the place. So I have some beans, I have those egg cups, just a couple of more. I have some Spanish rice, croutons, I have celery, broccoli, some roasted potatoes, peanut butter sandwiches, ham and cheese sandwiches. I have way more meat. I have some ground turkey right here. I have some burritos here. I have tons of food, guys. I have some enchiladas in here. I have soup. I have rotisserie, like shredded rotisserie chicken. I have more ground beef. I have more soup. I have chili. I have beef bulgogi that you guys saw me freeze today. I have the other half of that chicken kebab skewers from Costco. Down here again I have some more soup. I have cooked ground turkey with pinto beans. I have tons of sloppy Joe mix. Yeah, I just have a lot of food, guys. So it's like really nice to know that I have all this food. Let's check on Adam really quick. He's still sleeping right there. That's his little head. That's my nightstand, but that's his little head right there, still sleeping. And then in my actual deep freezer, I showed you guys a video on all of this a couple of weeks ago, and we still have a lot of food in here too. We have some chicken taco soup. I have some kind of like pocket, like ham and cheese pockets right here. Those are really good. I have tons of food in here, and it's actually going down because we've been using it, so it's nice that I had it all prepared. Honestly, I have to say that preparing before Adam got here was like the best decision that I made, to be honest. Like, I'm so happy that I prepared making so much food, and I might have overdone it making so much food, but I don't have to worry about anything. Like, I don't have to like overthink like what am I gonna make for dinner while I'm breastfeeding a newborn and trying to like calm down a toddler, and you know, so it's like, it's really nice that I prepared all this beforehand, and I just kind of just don't have to worry about it so much. And honestly, before preparing all this food, I would prepare like a meal or two every once in a while and freeze it. Not much, but I think this is something that I'm gonna consistently do, like maybe once a month, every single, like maybe actually, so maybe once a month for a whole week, I'll double every meal we make and like freeze it so that the following month we can have those meals again, you know? And it kind of saves on money. It really does save on money, really, because you're already cooking that meal, so might as well just double cook it. It's gonna save tons of time. And honestly, my dishes at the end of the night are like so tiny. I usually have to have like all this counter space full of like clean dishes. Lately it's just been like half of the counter full of dirty dishes, so that's been really, really nice. So yes, it's been really good. Michael and Michael Jr. are outside playing with some wood. Let me show you guys. What did you do?
Cut it.
You cut it? Let me see. Whoa, that's so cool, Michael. Did Daddy show you how?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Were you being careful?
Yeah.
Here, let's go with Daddy. So Michael, I have a question for you. How do you feel about all the food I prepared?
I think it's great.
Before Adam was born.
Oh, I think it's amazing. Like, it's great. It's probably the smartest thing we've done.
That's exactly what I said.
For a long time. Well, not say we, but I mean you. It's like, this amazing.
Wow,
like,
thanks.
No, like I haven't done anything that's to prepare for Adam like at all. But like, it's amazing because we have these meals. You just put them in the refrigerator or in the freezer, and then when we're ready to go, you take 5 minutes to cook it or heat it up again, and it's good to go. It's amazing. It's the greatest thing that makes life easier for us later on.
I was telling them that when Micah was born, we literally bought food like almost every day for like a month.
And it's so dumb because I could have totally made food, but you didn't want me to, right?
Well, I think you made like simple stuff every once in a while, but we just weren't prepared like we were this time around.
Well, he was also 2 weeks early.
Yeah, but we still didn't even have that
mindset.
We weren't even thinking,
but we also
like,
didn't have a freezer, and you weren't into freezing.
No, I wasn't.
And then, like, so yeah, it's a big difference. So.
And I was saying that with him, we basically ate out like all the time, and with Adam, I think we've only bought food like maybe 2 times in the last 2 weeks, so that's been kind of good. Hi, my love. What are you doing?
No, it was with you playing with a hammer?
Hammer.
Oh my goodness, let me see your hammer. Whoa, that's a cool hammer. Alright, I think I gotta go inside because Adam's gonna start waking up soon. Alright, so we prepared tons of food. Oh, I forgot, I need to cut that watermelon right there. Prepared tons of food. We are hopefully ready for the week. I'm really nervous. It's gonna be my first week with just a newborn and a toddler. So we'll see how we do. But I try to prepare myself. I feel like preparedness is key for a lot of this stuff. So we prepared lunches, we prepared breakfast, and dinners are gonna be super simple. So yes, you guys, wish me luck this week. Any advice you can give me, put it down in the comments below because I need it. I need all the advice, all the tips, all the tricks, all the everything.